Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download ASUS Vivo 14 S14 driver download. So open any browser, search to Google search box to as it is same and ASUS officially website asus.vivo download. Okay, right click to new tab, scroll down, select click to driver utility. Okay, and then click to driver tool, select your operating system Windows 10 11. This is your WAN, means your Wi-Fi driver. This is your chipset, audio driver, graphic driver, card reader driver, ASUS Precision touchpad driver, Bluetooth driver, camera driver. This is not required. LAN fingerprint driver. Okay, and all are there. Suppose how to download. Click to download. Wait few seconds so automatically start for the downloading. Then click this file. Then click to yes. Okay, then now we'll restart later. Install one by one all and then guys restart your system.